Hi everyone, today in front of me is fake Samsung and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps section. So let's scroll down a little bit and tap on apps and notifications, and here let's choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and here your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.